In this video, we pay attention on how to find the volume of an elliptical cylinder. It's a cylinder, but on top and bottom we have two ellipse shapes. A here is the minor length, B is the major length, H is the height from top to bottom. And the first question is to find formula for the volume. The volume is the area of the cross section. This is the area of cross section times the height. The area of the cross section is pi times A times B. It's the area of the ellipse times the height. So the volume of an elliptical cylinder is pi times A times B times H. We have this ellipse where this distance here is A and this distance here is B. So the area of this measuring the inside is pi times A times B. Now let's see this following problem. The minor distance and the major distance is 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively, and the height is 10 centimeters. So according to this formula, pi times A times B times H, pi times A is 2, times B is 4, times H is 10, and this is of course centimeter cubed, because we are speaking about volume of a shape. So 2 times 4 equals 8, times 10, 80 pi cubic centimeters. The volume of the elliptical cylinder is, in terms of pi, is 80 pi cubic centimeters. This is the volume here. Again, we have this shape where the cross section is an ellipse. A and B is minor and major lengths, H is the height. So the volume is the area of the cross section, the area of the ellipse times the H. And here we have the lengths A, B and H in centimeters, and we compute the volume by doing the substitution back to this formula, and the volume in terms of pi is 80 pi centimeter cubed. Of course, if A is equal to B is equal to a fixed distance, then the volume becomes pi times D times D times H. So this is pi times D squared times H, which is the volume of a cylinder where on top and bottom you have two circles. So here you have this H, the height of the cylinder, and D is this distance here. Or maybe here I can use the letter R. I just use R. This pi times R squared times H. So here I use the letter R on purpose because here I have two circles, right? This distance is the height, and this is the radius of the circle. Here the cross section is a circle. So the volume is the area of the cross section, pi times r squared is the area of the circle, times h. Yeah.